Hey, it's Killbite here. In this video, I'm going to show you some driver's view, helmet cam, and another cam of some of my autocross runs from the OctoberFAST Saturday Autocross for the Tennessee region SCCCA at, NCM, National Corvette Museum? Yeah, Motorsports Park. Traction control is on again. Gonna try to go a little faster this time. Baby. That's what happens when you turn the traction control off on a wet course. Well, there you go. Oh. fun at least?
That was more fun. Now I know why everybody's smiling when they get out.
All right, so we're doing a bracket and they've turned it into a loop. It's the same on both sides. And I'm racing this guy in the BRZ. We were really close on times. So much better. Darn, where is it? Enjoyed that, and if so, please like, subscribe, comment, and take care.